Yes. Sometimes I think if I could have a speakerphone, I wouldn't need to always speak so closely to the laptop to be heard, or I'd have to deal with the results of grabbing the microphone. It really embarrasses me. Oh my goodness! A speakerphone! Is this for me?
Yes, enjoy.
Awesome! I can't wait to unbox it and share it with my audience. I've gotta go. Bye! Hi, welcome back to the unboxing show. I'm Danny from Dahua Technology. Today, I'm going to unbox a high-quality portable speakerphone for you. It's an ideal choice for various conference room sizes and personal offices. Here we go! Wonderful! Here in this box, we can find the user manual, the accessories, and the speakerphone. I really like the portable design. It's very compact and easy to carry. The dark gray color looks very high-tech. The interactive touch buttons create an elegant design and is user-friendly to operate. MCA400 is a speakerphone with amazing sound. It has a 360-degree omnidirectional microphone with a pickup distance of up to 4 meters from any angle. It also offers a 3-microphone array and built-in array algorithm, plus intelligent noise reduction, ensuring clear and high-quality sound. I also like that it can pair 2 MCA400 speakerphones in seconds and easily cover a large or medium-sized conference room. MCA400 has multiple connection options. You can connect to a laptop via USB cable or a mobile phone or tablet via Bluetooth, and it's also compatible with popular online conference software. It's pretty cool, right? Let's start using the premium portable speakerphone to enjoy immersive conference calls whenever and wherever. Well, that's all for today's unboxing show. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye!